Oh, hi. Thank you for watching Andrew's Answers. I was going to look up the answer to today's question, but I think I can give you better advice than you'll find on the Google. So, what is long-term disability insurance? Well, if you go onto Google, it's going to tell you the obvious. It's insurance, and it's provided to individuals that can't work. But I think that's the wrong question. The question you should ask me is, do I have long-term disability insurance? And then from there, we can tell you what is long-term disability insurance, because if you've watched any of my videos, I always say it depends when it comes to LTD or short-term disability questions. And that is because first you need to know if you have it. And the easiest way to find out is if you have long-term disability insurance is by talking to your employer. Specifically, you probably want to talk to your HR office. However, as things become more digitized, a lot of people have online dashboards. Maybe it's where they go in to see their pay stubs or their other benefits or to request time off. That is a great hub to locate your employee benefits. If your company has not taken those steps to become digitized, talk to HR. I meet people every day, a lot of fellow lawyers, a lot of other professionals that simply do not know if they have long-term disability insurance. You need to know the answer to that question before we can even talk about what is long-term disability insurance. But generally what you're going to find when you talk to your employer is that you probably have short-term and long-term disability insurance. But because I was asked about long-term disability, I'll focus on that. Long-term disability insurance simply will provide income replacement if you're unable to work. Typically, and again, we need to see your plan, it provides a percentage of your pre-disability earnings. So you take what you're getting before your allegations of disability began, and you would find out what percent you're owed. Oftentimes it's about 60%. I've seen higher, but unfortunately I've seen lower. And these benefits will continue to pay you so long as you remain disabled. And we have a lot of other videos to watch to understand what it means to remain disabled. For instance, most policies will find you disabled for the first 2 years if you're unable to do your own job. However, the test gets a little more rigorous after the first 2 years, and then you often have to show that you can't do any job because of your condition. So that's the long and short of it. If you want to know how to find your coverage, give us a call. If you've successfully found your coverage, give us a call and we can help you understand it. Thank you for watching Andrew's Answers.